Meet the hornbill, one of the most loyal birds on Earth. These birds are known not just for their intelligence, but for their extraordinary devotion to their partners. Once a hornbill chooses a mate, it stays committed for life, never even considering another. And this isn't just poetic talk. Their behavior proves it. When the female hornbill is ready to lay eggs, she seals herself inside a tree hollow using mud, leaving only a tiny slit open. She stays completely enclosed for weeks, relying entirely on her male partner to bring food. The male hornbill faithfully delivers meals day after day, feeding her and later their chicks, until they're strong enough to break out of the nest together. It's one of nature's most powerful love stories: loyalty, sacrifice, and teamwork in its purest form.